Let's make this delicious pancit. This Filipino favorite dish consists of noodles, vegetables, meat, and sometimes seafood. It's often served on special occasions and family gatherings. So if you don't know how to make it yet or looking for a different recipe, then this video is for you. Let's start with preparing the ingredients.
Shredded cabbage, about that much. Also need some snow peas. We need some carrots. I slice it like this. Red bell peppers. These are the vegetables that you basically need for pancit. You can also add green beans, but just like this selection of vegetables I have right now. Minced garlic. Then some onions. I just diced it up. And then spring onions. So that's basically your main your ingredients for your veggie ingredients for your pancit. You can start cooking right away, or if you just want to prep, your party is tomorrow, then you can just cover it in like this and put it in the fridge, and then the next morning or the next day you can just get it out and then make your pancit. So very cool. For pancit, today I'm using the UFC canton noodles and excellent rice stick bihon. I like that they don't have any artificial ingredients and preservative in the pancit and the bihon. Hindi naman po lahat ng bihon at canton ang gagamitin natin. Only like half of the rice sticks, and then also probably half of the canton noodles. So it just depends how much rice sticks in canton will fit in my pan. So we'll see later. So I'll give you the exact measurements. If you just want to use the bihon, that's okay. And if you just want to use the canton noodle, that's also okay. Pancit is a very forgiving recipe. You can use whatever type of noodles you want to use, or you can do a combination like what I am doing today. I'm going to combine canton noodle and also the bihon. The main protein of our pancit today is chicken. This is just a seasoned chicken breast with salt, garlic, and onion powder. I just season it up, put it in the fridge. If you want to add shrimps, you can also do that. It will make your pancit really delicious, but this is totally optional. If you want to add shrimps, go ahead and do it. We're also going to use chicken stock, salt, and pepper, and of course some cooking oil. All right, let's get started. I'm excited, so let's get cooking. The oil is now hot. Diced onions. Make sure to stir it because you don't want your onions get burned. So just exercise your arms by stirring constantly. And it smells really good too. So. Alright, I think we're ready to cook our chicken breast. drop it in there. Make sure that it's really cooked, you know? You don't want your chicken breast raw and undercooked. Alright, the chicken almost looks like it's almost cooked. So at this point we can add carrots. Oh, I forgot to slice this one. And just stir it constantly so you don't want to burn your garlic. Ganyan lang po, mix niyo lang. And you are adding shrimp, you can add it now. Add the cabbage. You want the cabbage to just be kind of wilted a little bit. Looks really good now. And you know when the shrimp is ready and cooked all the way is when they curl up like that. So, yeah. Alright, the secret to a good pancit with vegetables that are crunchy and hindi po lata, it's not saggy. You take this all out. Ah, it's hot. Take this all out. I am starting with 2 cups of chicken stock. And I'm gonna wait until that boils and I'm going to cook the noodles. It's starting to boil, so when seasoning pancit, I always start with maybe 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I do it in increments because I don't know how salty it will be because the chicken stock already have some salt in it, so I don't want it to be too salty. And it's up to you too how salty or how much salt you want in your dish. So for salt and pepper, it's up to you. I'm gonna start with the bihon. I'll just put it in here, chop it in. Then make sure that the bihon is submerged. Give it a couple of minutes. Make sure that the bihon is really absorbing that flavorful stock that we have. And then some pancit canton. Alright. So be gentle, you don't want to break the pancit canton. Alright. Make sure that it's getting the stock, the chicken stock. Just wiggle around, be gentle, don't break the pancit canton's heart. I like my pancit a little bit on the drier side. I don't like it when it's got a little like saggy and soupy, so I'm really careful with how much chicken stock I put and how much noodles I put. So there's like a balance. depending on your preference. I like mine to be a little uga-uga. So, there you go. Don't you just love the color? It's super pretty. And today we're not using soy sauce. I know pancit requires soy sauce, oyster sauce, but I just want my pancit to taste light with. Trust me, it doesn't taste like it's bland. It's still gonna taste really good because of all the ingredients that we're using. So traditional pancit with toyo and with soy sauce and oyster sauce. But today I want to make it light. All right, it looks like the noodles are it's almost done, but it needs a little bit of moisture because we want to cook the noodles like done, but it needs more chicken stock because it's getting dry and we want to cook it, and it's still not cooked is what I'm saying. So it needs a little bit more chicken stock to fully cook it. So I'm just gonna add like 1/4 cup to cook all that noodles. So add nyo lang po ng chicken stock kung hindi pa siya luto. So this one is almost done. So we're going to put back the protein and the vegetable. So we're going to put back our ginisang gulay at karne. So lagay natin. Balik natin. So that may chance silang mag-meet. May chance silang mag-meet. Magkakilala. At magbatian. Mix it in so that they'll know each other and give each other flavor. We want that. Just be gentle when you're stirring the pancit. You don't want to break the pancit. We don't want a soggy pancit here. Alright, so this is ready. If you're gonna serve it right away, then have your green peas, add your green peas. They'll cook with the steam, right? It's like a garnish. So add your green peas and your red bell peppers. And then also, you can do it like that. It will cook with the steam from the noodle, and it will give it a little bit of a crunchy vibe. As you can see, it's not saggy. The noodles are not saggy, and there's like not much sauce in there. That's how I like my pancit. So hindi po siya lata at hindi po siya matubig. So I like my pancit this way. Alright, this pancit is ready. Alright. Don't forget to add more garnish. Very essential. And then if you're gonna present this on the table for a party, you can arrange your shrimp, your vegetable, make it presentable here. Alright. Alright, done. Hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe
And I do have other videos that you can watch. They're all delicious, I assure you. So go ahead and check that out also. And I'll see you next time.